Today we are diving into the much debated topic, Veet Hair Removal Cream versus the Gillette Razor for women. If you have ever wondered which one is better for smooth skin, then this video is right for you. I will be breaking down the pros and cons of each, sharing my personal experience and helping you decide which method might work best for you. So let's get started to find out which one takes the crown. This is my hand. It has quite a lot of hair growth. I had been growing my hair to do this video. Now let's apply the cream and see if it works. Spreading it with a spatula. The instruction says to wait for 3 minutes. I have set the timer on. It's 1 minute now and I could clearly see my hair dying. Okay, it's now 3 minutes finished. I'm removing the cream. It's smooth and clean. After removing the cream, I washed my hands with water. Wow, my skin feels very soft. It feels velvety soft. It is really soft and smooth to touch. The disadvantage of the product, I would say, it is a messy process. Either you have to sit in the bathroom or stand outside like a statue with the cream on your body. This is definitely not a mess-free process. So I am going to show you how to shave your arms or hands using the Gillette Simply Venus Razor. This razor is priced at ₹60. It is a nice baby pink colored razor. It has 3 blades in it. It is a use and throw razor. This is how my arm look right now. I have hair growth. It is not that long but quite long to be removed. So let's do it. First you need to apply soap or body wash or a foam that you have. Anything of this sort will work. I use a foaming face wash. Glide the razor against the direction of hair growth. When done, rinse your arm with water. Instantly, I could feel the smoothness and softness in my skin. Both the Veet Hair Removal Cream and the Gillette razors have their own strengths and suits different needs. If you are looking for a quick, painless option with a long-lasting smoothness, Veet might be your go-to. On the other hand, if you prefer a precision and a closer shave, the Gillette razor could be your best friend. At the end of the day, it all comes down to what works best for you. I hope this comparison helped you in making an informed choice. Let me know in the comment section which method you prefer. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care.